Yeah, man. We're at the airport right now. Just checked in. Everything was good. I'm early this time. I'm not gonna miss this flight. Yeah. And leaving at 6 p.m. and we'll see, man. You got family on this side? You wanna say what's up to the vlog, bro? Oh, that's so sweet. I know she's gonna cry when I leave, but it is what it is. Okay, we're done too. Yeah, man, right now I'm in Belgium. I landed like I think an hour ago. It's about to be 9 a.m. and my flight leave around 1 p.m. 1 o'clock today. Heading to Kinshasa, and then from there I'm going to stay and hang out. I'm gonna be getting a Kinshasa at night, so I'm most likely will eat and go to bed. And the next day, that's when things start. You know, like I won't take no rest. I'm just gonna start right away because I'm ready right now. I just need to land, just get one night in, and then that'll be it. Time wise, I should be alright. So I'm currently on the second flight to my destination. I gotta put a nice seat on this one. Right on the wing right there, and I'm sitting by myself. I just made it. I just picked up my luggage, as you can see right there, my suitcases, my bag. So now I'm about to head where I'll be staying, and it's chill for the night. Get some food, chill for the night, and then tomorrow we're getting started. I'm actually not sleepy, which is funny, but we'll see. As you see right now, there's fish, cassava leaf. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, I'm so excited. This is good food right here.